Hey, Steve here. This is a great day for Racing Price Monitor. We've had this program for a few years now, and if you don't know what it does exactly, it rates the horses' price changes in 6 different increments from T6 right down to T1, and then also the most up-to-date current price. This race here, we can see 6 little boxes here. The top one here, 4 of them are green, 2 are red, just in different increments. This one here, I'm Misbehaving, is the winner. It's 6 green boxes, and that means that at every price point, and if we look at the price points, our T6 is at 30 minutes right through to T1, which is at 2 minutes. We can see that the price stayed the same or changed all the way through, and that's why we've got 6 green boxes here for I'm Misbehaving. And that is our price monitor rating. That's how it rates the horses and that. And you've got the choice of price movement, or if we go to market movement, which is more important, we can see there that I'm Misbehaving still had all the green boxes and consequently won at 480. Now, most of you know about that with Racing Price Monitor, how it works. And it works like on Australia, all the way through UK, New Zealand, South Africa, France, the United States. Harness racing is covered as well as gallops. But the big exciting news that this video is to show you, if we scroll over a bit further, is now we have integrated Betfair betting for you. So you can see there, just log in now. Okay, and now you'll see that we've got here, I'll just bring up a race that's coming up. We can see here now we've got place bet, so we can bet now on any of these horses directly straight on the web, straight out of the Racing Price Monitor. So no need to leave this website. We can do everything here, and now we've got win betting to be placed, and then we have the extra place bettings if they're available. So this one is 4 places to be paid, which is on this race here. If we go to some other races, you will see that 4 places to be paid, and then on the smaller race meetings, just try and find the smaller fields, you can also get 3 places to be paid when there's 7 runners or less, for example. So whatever we have up here, you can bet now in Betfair directly straight off the website. What I'll do now here, and it's fast, it's very fast. If I have a look at this race here, we can still see there's no prices here yet because it's still 4 minutes 39 before the race jumps. So we can see here, this is the price at 2 minutes to go. Well, we're not there yet, and this here is the price 5 minutes to go. So these are the latest prices. So we're looking at some movement in the race movement. So just for example, put a bet on Floral Aces. So we can place a bet, and you can see there now it's telling us how much money is invested in this horse, the lay price, the back price, and the current odds. And we can bet from 10 cents or 10p. So you can bet very small, which is good if you're using it for entertainment, or you're wanting it to bet longer priced horses, or you have a staking plan. You can start very small with 10p race, and we can just change it up to what we want there, and you can see the win and loss going there. So we have both back or lay, and we can see the lay price here, and up here it tells us we're in the win market. If we close this and click on to be placed, click on the place one, we can see here now to be placed, so we know what market we're in. It's paying. Let's just put a bet on this one now, place a bet, and that bet, if we have a look down the bottom here, we'll soon see very fast how quick the bets are being made. If we go up to match bets, we can see there it's been matched now at $1.69, and we've got 20 cents on it. We can see the lapsed bets, we can see the settled bets, unmatched bets, drifters and steamers, and back to where we are. So if we scroll down here, we can see now the bets matched. Floral Aces, we've got to be placed at $1.69, and it's at 20 cents staking. If we scroll down to the UK, you'll find the UK have a bit more options. So if we look at there, that's win market, because there's only 3 horses going to be in it. But we've got to be placed, we've got each way, 2 to be placed, 4 to be placed. So in the UK market, you've got more options that you can bet directly from the interface on Betfair. So that's a big improvement. It's very, very fast. It works faster than it does working on Betfair's own website. It is double the speed of the Betfair website, and all the results are in real time. Once the race is finished, within seconds or a minute or so, you'll get the win, the place, etc., all there, and also the bets will be settled very, very quickly, so you can move on to the next race. So that is exciting news with the Racing Price Monitor, is now we have live direct betting. So if you're in the office and they've got a ban on gambling sites and that, you can bring up the Racing Price Monitor on your office computer. You can still put bets through, because this does not go through the Betfair website, so it will hopefully bypass your office censors. Or also, if you're in a country that you've got a Betfair account and you may be in Thailand, Vietnam, or that, well, you can use the Racing Price Monitor to get all the latest movements, but still bet without having to worry about a VPN, because this bets directly into the UK betting site without having to go through a VPN. So that's a big plus as well. And we have also got show confirmation, but if we want to do one click betting, we can do that too. You can see that this is on the win betting. If we go to place betting, to be placed, then you can see now this is the place odds here, and these bets can be done with 1 click. So what you need to do first is just check in the settings. In the settings we check, this is the default bets here. So we've got 10p for back, 10p for laying, and you set your commission at what it is. If you're doing Australian racing, you probably set that at 8, and go down the bottom and submit it. Submit. So now if we want to use the without confirmation, we can go to this race coming up, Balaclava, which is just about to start. This race here, we can see, for example, Yip is all green, and it's pretty good price. And if we go to the place, to be placed, we can have a look at Yip, which is at $3.60. We can just click on that and scroll down, and there's the bet already placed for us. And we can just have a look up here, match bets, and you can see Yip at $3.60. That's how quick it is. This is a very big addition to Racing Price Monitor. It's going to make a lot of difference to your betting. You can bet small, you can follow staking plans from a small base upwards, and you have it all here with Racing Price Monitor. It covers all the races that Betfair covers, so you've got plenty of action just about 24/7. So on behalf of Mike and myself, Steve, thanks for watching this up-to-date Racing Price Monitor. If you want to see more on how the Racing Price Monitor works itself, there's videos further down. Thank you.